मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। With deep devotion and let bring your awareness towards your heart. Take a deep breathing and once again. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanasalakaya Chaksurunmilitam yena Tasmaya Sri Gurave Namaha. Do not open your eyes. Feel the positive energy. The meaning of this mantra is I was born in darkest ignorance. I was born in the darkest ignorance. And my spiritual master, Guru, opened my eyes with the torch of knowledge. I offer my respectful obeisance unto him. Om Guru Bho Namaha. Then rub your palms together. Rub your both palms together, but still do not open your eyes. Keep rubbing your both palms together gently. And try to generate heat with both the palms. And then keep your palm gently to your forehead and feel the warmth. Then gradually keep your palm down, keep your palm towards your closed eyes. Then towards your nose, towards your cheeks, and gradually towards your chin. Join your both palms to Anjali Mudra, hands to heart chakra, breathing with gratitude and with a gentle smile. Open your eyes. Once again, my devotional pranam to all of you. And take the hands down. And I had heard that here all of you are yoga teachers. So I am so much grateful to be connected with you all. And I'm so much blessed having with you all. And it's a great pleasure for me. So today's practice, as per Shivam said, Vinyasa Yoga. So you all know yoga. Yoga means union and towards the body, mind, soul, super soul is a connection. And vinyasa is a form. It has both meaning. Into the asana practice, there is like you are moving rhythmically from one posture to another posture, like sun salutation, Surya Namaskar. You're doing one asana, Pranamasana, then you're taking breathe in and your hands up and arch back, and you are doing Urdhva Hastasana. So asana with breathing, rhythmic breathing movement, and with full of awareness. That is vinyasa towards the asana level, asana practice. But broadly, the vinyasa is pratyahar. Broadly, the vinyasa is pratyahar. Pratyahar means your senses are outwards, and slowly you are preparing yourself towards the inwards, towards the heart, towards the inside. Okay. So the broad meaning of vinyasa is pratyaha. And for the practice, you need full of devotion and with dedication, and it's all about discipline. Yoga is not a entertainment, but it's all about serious practice. And so in the practice, yogic practice, your alignment is very much important, because each of that traditional asana, they have their own particular geometrical shape. Bhujangasana have own geometric shape. Padmasana have own geometric shape. And whenever you are doing any traditional asana, you automatically connected with the sun, because Hatha Yoga. Hatha means the sun and the moon. And in our body, we have sun and the moon. One part of the body is sun, one part of the body is moon, Ida Pingala. And the middle is Sahasra. And when you are taking inhale, any asana, particular asana, you are doing inhale. Directly you are connecting to the ear. You are connecting to the Pavandev. So, like 5 elements. हम लोगों का जो शरीर है ये पंच तत्व से बना है. आकाश, पृथ्वी, जल, वायु करके पंच तत्व. तो योग जब हम करते हैं तो जो हम लोगों का जो नेचुरल स्टेट है उसमें हम जाते हैं. कुछ चीजें जो है आपसे शेयर करना बहुत ही जरूरत है. प्रैक्टिस सभी करते हैं, मगर 10 साल से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं मगर शीर्षासन नहीं कर पाते हैं. थोड़ा बोलना बहुत ही जरूरत है. प्रैक्टिस 20 साल से करते हैं फिर भी मेंटली डिस्टर्ब्ड है. क्यों ऐसा होता है कि प्रॉपर टेक्निक, प्रॉपर वे, प्रॉपर नॉलेज और राइट काइंड ऑफ गुरु उनको मिलता नहीं है. आपको सही गुरु मिलना चाहिए जो एकदम प्योर हो. और एजुकेशन गुरु के पास मिल सकता है, और जो बुक्स है जैसे कि भगवत गीता है मेरे पास, जैसे भगवत गीता है, आप अपने साथ भगवत गीता को जरूर रखें और इसको स्वाध्याय करें. ठीक है. भगवत गीता हो गया, पतंजलि योग सूत्र हो गया, घृण्य संहिता हो गया, शिव संहिता हो गया, और भी जो ग्रंथ है वो हो गया. सो थ्रू दिस, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए विथ राइट नॉलेज, राइट टेक्निक, विथ अंडर रियल गुरु. सबका कॉम्बिनेशन जब आपका होगा तब आपका जो स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी है वो एकदम सही मार्ग पे जाएगा, वरना आपका मार्ग कहीं भटक जाएगा. तो हम पहले प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद कुछ बातें शेयर करते हैं. ठीक है. तो मुझे 1 मिनट दीजिए. ठीक है. मैं थोड़ा सेट कर लेता हूँ मेरे कैमरे को. तो अच्छा, तो यहाँ से मेरा पूरा शरीर आपको दिख रहा है. नीचे से ऊपर तक सब कीजिए। अगर पूरा शरीर दिख रहा है थम्स अप, दिख रहा है पूरा? अच्छा, तो चलिए पहले जो है खड़े हो जाते हैं। स्टैंड अप ऑल ऑफ यू स्टैंड अप एंड ऑल ऑफ यू स्टैंड अप and stand with feet apart. Stand with both feet apart. Stand with both feet apart comfortably, and both the feet under the thighs. Not too close, not too far. Okay, just comfortably apart, and keep your hands straight and relax. Keep your hands straight and relax. Give me 1 second. Yes. Okay. And then in the beginning, we should do some yogic warm-up, Chalana Kriya. And in the beginning, our neck movement and rotation. So from out, take your head down. And your chin to your chest. As you inhale, take your head up and you engage your neck, relax your head back. As you exhale, gradually bring your head down into chest. Look down. Do it very, very slowly. Once again, as you breathe in, take your head up and all the way back. Engage your neck. Feel the stretches towards the neck region. As you exhale, bring your head center and relax. Now your head right, bend to the right and to left. Breathe in. As breathe out, your head bend toward the right. But don't keep your shoulder up. Shoulder down, relax. You try to touch your shoulder to the ear, if possible. Do not force yourself. As breathe in, bring your head center. With breathe out, your head to the left, bend. As breathe in, bring it to the center, and exhale, let go, relax. And then the third one is neck twisting. You have to rotate your head all the way like this. So be ready, breathe in, gradually, long breathe out, and turn your head and twist. And try to keep your chin parallel to the shoulder, if possible for you. So, with deep breathing, center, as you breathe out, let's twist to the left and turn all the way back. As breathing center and relax. Now, for the shoulder movement, for the arms, inhale, take your both hands up. Keep your both hands parallel to the floor, fingers facing forward. And as you breathe in, breathe out, bend your left arm, keep your left palm to the right shoulder, take the right hand bend and to the back and twist. Look back, twist and turn. Keep your feet fixed. Keep your feet fixed. And twist your body from the trunk. As inhale, center, bring your hands front. And the same way as you exhale, bend the left arm and to the back. Keep the right palm to the left shoulder and all the twist to the left side and turn out. As you inhale, center, exhale, hands down. Now bring your feet together. Now the whole body stretching. एक आसन, जिस आसन में आपका पूरा शरीर का जो भी मसल ग्रुप है स्ट्रेचिंग होता है, उसका नाम है ताड़ासन, the palm tree posture. Interlace your palm. As you inhale, raise your heel, both the hips, at the same time, both the hands maximum, all the way lift up towards the sky. Maintain the asana for the couple of seconds, minimum 10 seconds. During this asana, 10 seconds, do not drop your heels. Fix your gaze in front. Continue normal breathing. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8, Om 9, Om 10. As exhale, gradually drop your both the hips and hands down. Relax. And then the next is spread your both the legs, the both sides, maximum. Both the legs, maximum. And bend your arms, keep your palms to the front. And from here, inhale, take the right hand all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, bend your body from the trunk all the way to the left side. As per your capacity, as per your level, you can bend deeper, looking up, both legs straight. The right hand over the head, extend all the way towards the left side. The right arm fully stretched. Hold on. Breathe. Continue Purak, Recha. Continue Purak, Recha. And then as you Purak, breathe in, center. As Recha, exhale, the hands down. And bring your hands to the front. Both the elbow facing out. Leg fully stretched. Now the left hand, left side. Inhale. Reach up the left hand all the way up towards the ceiling. Next, as you exhale, let's connect your body, movement, and breath all together and bend to the right. During asana, you have to engage your body, you have to engage your mind, you have to engage your breath, you have to engage your awareness all together. As inhale, center. Exhale, hands down. Exhale, hands down. So now the next is take the right foot turn out. The toes facing toward the right. But both the heel should be in one line. Right heel, left heel, one line. The left thigh facing front, left knee, and the toe, 5 toes facing to front. But the right leg, thighs is turned out, the knee facing out, the feet facing out. Okay? So from here, if you have yoga brick, so you can use that. If you have a block, you can interlace your finger and take it all the way up, open up your chest, expand the rib cage, lift your diaphragm up, take a deep breath. As breathe out, bend from the trunk to the right. Do not bend your knees. Bend from the trunk all the way to the right. As per your capacity. Do not jerk. Do not force yourself. Look up. Keep the both hands straight. 1. Hold on. आपको कुछ समय पर वहां पे स्थिति में रखना, ठीक है? 1. Breathe. Continue. 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Then as breathing, coming to the center, both hands up. As exhale, exhale, both hands down. Now bring the right feet to the front. Then left leg. Take the left feet out. Toes facing out. Both heel one line. The same asana, same breathing, same technique. So let's go. Inhale, reach your hands up, lift all the way, palm pressing upwards, engage your fingers, exhale, let's bend to the left. Bend your body to the left. And maintain posture for couple of seconds. Hold on, but do not hold your breath. Maintain the posture. Inhale, Radhe. Exhale, Krishna. Inhale, Radhe. Exhale, Krishna. Breathe in, Radhe. Breathe out, Krishna. As you breathe in, Radhe. Breathe out, Krishna. Then inhale, center. Exhale, hands down. Exhale, hands down. Okay, so now feet to the front. Now both the feet closer to each other. Closer to each other. And then couple of hand movement, hand rotation. So as inhale, open up your hand, extend to the front. And from shoulder to the fingertip, all the way parallel to the floor. And then rotate it clockwise. 360-degree rotation clockwise. Don't move your hands fast. Move, rotate your arms slow. Same time, feel your breath, feel your muscle movement, and be with awareness. आपको फील होना चाहिए कि आपका मसल कौन सी मसल पे आपका काम हो रहा है और कौन सा मसल आपका मूव हो रहा है या सभी अंगों में जो हैंड्स रोटेशन आप कर रहे हो so उसका फीलिंग आपको होना है आपका मन कहीं पे है और आप हाथ घुमा रहे हो तो वो आपका एक्सरसाइज हो गया वो योग नहीं हुआ relax now then anti-clockwise as breathing expand the ribcage roll 6 5 धीरे-धीरे 4 3 2 1 very nice well done everyone so next जो है आपका lower body के लिए warm up so stand with feet apart top of the mat के एकदम सामने top of the mat feet apart hands on the trunk and then breathe in take the right leg up bend the leg and from the thigh joint to the knee joint parallel to the floor and from knee bend your body and the foot sole facing down not towards this you have to keep the leg straight spine correct look forward breathing as breathe out bring the right leg maximum back keep the front leg 90 degrees the ankle joint should be under the knee and the front feet firmly placed should be straight and open up the hip joint maximum open up the leg and raise the back heel this is my right leg so right heel up the feet on the toes and from here hands there and then as you breathe in bring the leg forward and take the leg up exhale drop then to the left side as you inhale take up the left leg up exhale Bring the leg all the way back. And look forward. Maintain the asana. The same posture as we did before. Couple of seconds before. The same. So from here, as you inhale, take up the left leg, bend it, take it up, exhale, relax, and drop it to the floor. So now the next is, as you inhale, take the right leg up, exhale, bring it to the back, both hands back, inhale, expand the rib cage, take the both hands up. Both your biceps should be touch your ears. Hands up. Chest up. Breathe with awareness. Fix your gaze. आपका दृष्टि सामने. Exhale. Hands down. Bring the feet forward. Samasthiti. Now, as you inhale, the left leg up, and the same time, both hands up. Exhale, take it back, both hands back. Inhale, raise your hands up. Maintain the asana for a couple of seconds. Exhale, bring the leg forward, hands down. So now for the Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar, Mysore style. Be ready. Okay. For the practice, let's keep your hands side to side, parallel to the floor, and make your feet thumb inside. And rotation, wrist rotation. In the beginning, clockwise. Let's rotation clockwise. Let's do anti-clockwise. Rotate your wrist. Hands down. And now warm up for our spine. Our hands warm up is we did. Legs warm up as we did. And couple of breathing awareness also we did. So now warm up for our spine. So feet apart, comfortable. Keep your palm to the trunk, forefinger front, and the thumb to the back. Roll the shoulder girdle out, open the, expand the rib cage, elbow out. And here we should do the asana, back bend. This is called Ardha Chakra Asana. Inhale, push your pelvis front, both the thighs front, lift the chest, expand, and just do the back bend gently, looking up. Yes. Open eyes. Maintain. 1. Om 2. Om 3. Om 4. As you inhale, center. Exhale, hands down. Now, the next is Padahastasana. Standing forward fold. Inhale, left and the right, both hands up towards the sky. As you exhale, bend your upper body from the trunk, buttocks back, both hands extend forward, and gradually, come on, extend the spine. Keep your hands just beside your feet and chest to thigh, and keep your forehead hollow of the shin bone or in between the shin bone. If you are beginners, you can bend your knees a little bit. And if you have stiff muscle, wherever you comfortable, you can stay. And then breathe in, open up the hands, take it all the way up, reach up, exhale, both the hands down side to side. Once again, Ardha Chakra Asana. Ready. Roll the shoulder girdle, open up the chest, elbow behind, breathe in, gently, just back bend, Ardha Chakrasana. Look up. As you breathe in, coming back, center. Inhale, hands up. As exhale, all the way forward fold. This is called Padahastasana. Some gharana it's called Hastapadasana. Other gharana it's called many names this asana. Some gharana is called Uttanasana. Inhale, take the hands up. Exhale, relax. Exhale, relax. So now move into the prayer. Both feet together and join your palms. Close eyes. Couple of normal breath. And let's begin the prayer. Breathe in. Om Vande Guru Nama Charana Arvinde Sandarsita Swadma Sukha Pabodhe Nishreyase Jangalikaya Mane Samsara Bala Moha Santi Abahu Purushakaram Sankachakra Siddharinam Sahasra Sirasam Sretam Pranamami Patanjali Om. Okay, so stand with feet together, top of the mat. Hold the hands side to side, Samasthiti. And number one, Ekam inhale. Take your both hands up, look up, join your both palms together, and gaze where the both palms join together. Your both the arms away from ears, but don't do back bend. Exhale, all the way forward, Padahastasana. Then inhale, clearly, head up. Keep your back parallel to the floor. Chatwari, step back or the jump back. In the beginning, do step back and then do Chaturanga. This is called high plank in English, but in Sanskrit, this is called Kumbhakasana or this is called Urdhva Chaturanga Dandasana. Okay? And then bend your arms like for Chaturanga Dandasana, bend your arms from the elbow facing towards you, and your chest, your upper body, torso little bit down like this. This is called Chaturanga. And from Chaturanga, breathe in, lift your chest up all the way, expand the rib cage, look up, hands straight, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. As exhale, press the palm, lift your hip, take it back, drop your heel, tap your toes to the floor, and keep your head inside the body. And gaze your eyes towards the number. 6 seconds here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then step forward one by one. Bring your both legs top of the mat, in between the palms, right and left. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way fold forward. Padahastasana. Then lift up. Inhale, take your hands up all the way. Keep it straight. Join your palms. Look up like before. Exhale, hold the hands down. Now the second round. Ekam inhale, both hands up. Join your palms to Anjali Mudra. Do exhale. Extend the spine, hands forward, all the way, head down. Really head up. Keep your back flat. Vristi Samne, Chatwari, jump on the step back, and then do Chaturanga. Bend your arms. This is Chaturanga. Breathe in, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. In Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, your knees should be up from the floor. Hips should be up from the floor. Exhale all the way, Parvatasana or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Head inside. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then jump all the steps one by one forward. Then as you breathe in, take your head up, exhale, head down. Next, inhale, put the hands up, join your both palms, exhale, Samasthiti. Now the third round. Ekam inhale, both hands up, do exhale, head down, 3 head up. Now Chatwari, try to do jump back, look like this. And Chaturanga, Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Tat exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Sapta inhale, jump or the step forward, Asta exhale, head down, Nava inhale, both the hands up, look up, and at last, Dasa, exhale, hands down, Samasthiti. Relax. So all of you sit down. All of you sit down. And observe me carefully how I am practicing. Sit down. So for the practice, you have to choose top of the mat with feet almost closer. Almost both feet closer. You can keep a little bit distance. Hands straight. This is called Samasthiti. Balanced straight. And from here, number 1, asana, inhale, ekam inhale, both hands up. Here, your arms away from ears, ekam inhale. Number 2, doe, exhale. Elbow bent, elbow facing towards back, not to the side. Trini, inhale, okay? Back should be flat, look forward. Chatwari, I am using block. Chatwari, jump back. This is called Chaturanga. This is not Chaturanga. This is Chaturanga. Full body one line. This is not. Full body one line. Then Pancha, inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Touch, exhale. Buttocks up and back. Drop your heel, tap your toes, straight legs, head inside, gaze towards the navel. And then here is 5-second rest. Then jump. You can do jump or you can step forward. Then inhale, take your head up, back flat, exhale, head down, chest to the thigh, and stay stomach to the thigh, and keep your forehead in between the shin bone, like this. Elbow closer, not out, elbow close. And then inhale, both the hands up, joint palm, exhale, Samasthiti. Now, fast, I'm showing you fast. Ekam inhale, doe exhale, Trini head up, Chatwari, jump back, Pancha inhale, Tat exhale, sapta, step or the jump forward, exhale, ashta, nava, hands up, dasa, samasthiti. Okay, so now stand up. Let's do one round once again. This is Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskara A. Come on, stand up. Feet apart, comfortable and closer. Ekam inhale, hands up. Do exhale, head down. Trini head up. Chatwari jump back. Chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Urdhamukh. Sat exhale. Adhamukh. Sapta. Jump forward. Inhale. Ashta. Head up. Exhale. Head down. Nava. Inhale. Hands up. Dasa. Samasthiti. Okay. So Mysore Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskar A we did. Now Surya Namaskara B. So now we have to start with Utkatasana. Bend your knees a little. We have to bend your knees a little. But make sure आपका knee जो है toes cross नहीं होगा. Toes जो है उसको उससे पहले नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है? Just a little bend. Buttocks back. Inhale, hands up. This is number one. So be ready. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Do exhale, the same Padahastasana. Trini head up, the same. Head up, back plank. Chatwari jump or step back. Chaturanga. Then Pancha inhale, the same like before. That exhale. Now, right heel inside, right heel drop and the toes 45-degree inwards. Now bring the left feet forward, left leg forward, right leg back. And both the heel one line. The back feet, that is the right feet, the toes 45-degree inwards. Okay? And from here, both the hands up. Veerbhadra, this is called Veerbhadrasana A. Inhale, hands up, Sapta. Exhale, hands down, Ashta. Once again, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhamukh, Nava. Exhale, Dasa. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the same. The left heel inside the toe 45, toes 45-degree. Now bring the right leg forward. Knee ankle one line. Inhale, hands up. Veerbhadrasana A. Look up. Exhale, drop the hands. Bring the right leg back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Then huge inhale. Lift your chest all the way up like a sea wave. Urdhamukh Svanasana. The heart opener asana. Exhale, Adho Svanasana. Head inside. Then jump or the step forward. Inhale, take your chest up, head up. Exhale all the way forward, head down. Then bend your knees a little, buttocks back. As inhale, hands up. Utkatasana, your picture, look up, exhale, samasthiti, hands down. So this is Ashtanga Vinyasa, Surya Namaskar. B. Take a rest, deep breathe. Deep breathe. Okay, so now the next down, the same. Feet closer. Inhale, bend your knees, both the hands up. Ekam inhale. Do exhale, hands down, head down. Three, head up. Chatwari, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukh. Sat, exhale, Adha Mukh. Now, the left heel, drop, and the toes 45 degrees inward. The right leg forward, bring forward. And take your body, spine one line. Inhale, hands up, look up. Keep your shoulder away from the ears, looking up. Virabhadrasana A. Exhale, hands to the mat. Both the arms stretch. Take the right leg back. Feet together. Exhale, bend your arms, torso down. Now huge inhale. Lift your chest up. Urdhva Mukh Svangasana. Exhale, Adha Mukh. Now, right heel drop, right the toes 45 degrees inwards. Bring the left leg top of the mat. Then, with the left leg front, hands up, Virabhadrasana A. Hands up, look up. Exhale, hands down. Bring the left leg back. Stretch body. Your wrist, elbow, shoulder one line. Then do Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale. Then inhale. Take up your chest. Look up. Urdhva Mukh. Exhale. Adha Mukh. Then jump or the step forward. Top of the mat. Inhale. Take your chest up. Keep your back flat. Look forward. Exhale. All the way head down. Bring your chest thigh closer. Then next, inhale, bend your knees. Hold the hands up. Utkatasana. Exhale, then Samasthiti. Exhale, then Samasthiti. Relax. And relax. Keep your feet apart. Hands on the trunk. Eyes closed. Take some deep breaths. Okay, so now I will teach some mixed class. Traditional Hatha, Mysore Ashtanga, Vinyasa, lots of mixed. Okay, so now top of the mat. Inhale, take your both hands up, look up. Exhale, all the way, fold forward, head down. Inhale, take your head up, chest up. Exhale, take the right leg back. And don't drop your heel. Both the hands up. Look like this. Here, your arms and the both ear touching together. Look forward. Exhale, hands to the heart. Exhale, hands to the heart. And then after that, here is breathe in. As you breathe out, you have to twist from your trunk. You have to engage your core and your right tricep to the left side thigh, like this. I'm showing you from this side. Twist. And keep your both palms joined together. The Anjali Mudra. Keep your palm in front, middle of the chest. The right elbow facing down, left elbow facing up, and you have to look up. And the back heel up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then release. Inhale, take your both hands up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Bring the left leg back. And here is Kumbhakasana. From Kumbhakasana, now you can do Ashtanga Namaskar. Knees cap to the ground. As you exhale, bend your arms, chest in down, elbow closer to the rib cage. Here in Ashtanga Namaskar, lift your stomach up, lift your buttocks up. Do not touch your stomach to the floor. And then stretch your toes out. Now gradually stomach to the floor. Now inhale, do Bhujangasana. This is not Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. This is Bhujangasana. Lift your chest, but until the navel. नाभि जमीन पे टच होके रहेगा भुजंगासन पे. चेस्ट को एक्सपेंड करना है, एल्बो को रिब केज के पास ले आना है, शोल्डर के ऊपर नहीं ले जाना है, शोल्डर की टिप डाउन और लोअर बैक पे प्रेशर नहीं देना है. टारगेट रहेगा चेस्ट को एक्सपेंड करना. आंखें बंद भी कर सकते हैं. ब्रीदिंग को फील कीजिए और फिर एक्सेल करते हुए प्रेस द पाम, टेक अप द नी, टेक अप योर बटक्स ऑल द वे अधोमुख स्वानासन. Then as you inhale, bring the right leg forward to the top of the mat in between the palm. Then inhale, reach your arms up, join your both palms together. Exhale, hands to heart. Breathe in. As you breathe out, let's twist. Left tricep to the right knee, to the right thumb. Twist. Maintain the asana. And look up. Left elbow facing down, right elbow facing up. If you're feeling so tough, you can take rest. Otherwise, if you are comfortable, you can maintain. Then from here, inhale, both the hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now the left leg as inhale, bring it to the front, top of the mat. Exhale, Padahastasana or Uttanasana. Then inhale, both the hands up, join your both palms, look up, exhale, Samasthiti. So now, couple of movement practice for your lung to increase the lung capacity. As you inhale, raise your heel, expand the chest, hand side to side, look up. Exhale, drop the heel, both hands in front, both palms facing each other. Breathe in, expand the rib cage, look up, take the hand side to side, raise the heel, exhale, hand center. Breathe in, look up, breathe out, hands down. So now the next modified version, top of the mat. Next one. The next one is as you inhale, take the right leg up, both hands up. Exhale, bring the right leg back. And then inhale, rise up. Hold on. Breathe. Exhale now. I am showing you the next. Exhale now. Bring the right tricep to the left outer knee and then touch and the hands down. Take the right hand down. near to the left hip, and take the left hand up. Look up. Hold on. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then release. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, gradually hands down. Bring the left leg back, and then Kumbhakasana. From Kumbhakasana, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adha Mukha Svanasana. Now, Ek Pada Adha Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, take the right leg up. Ek Pada Adha Mukha Svanasana. Head down. Exhale, bring the right leg front. Inhale, reach your hands up. Spine, one line. Exhale, now twist. Left hands all the way, the left tricep, right knee. Keep the left palm down all the way near to the right ankle joint. Take the right hand up. And a deep twist. If you have hernia, if you have some stomach operation, don't do it. If you, those who are fully fit, they can do. Otherwise, don't do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Both inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now bring the left leg forward. And exhale, hold all the way, head down. Padahastasana. Now, as you inhale, take up the right leg up, both hands up. Exhale, relax. Now, the next version, the next one. The next one is inhale, take the right leg up like this, straight from thigh to the heel, ankle one line, both hands up. Exhale, the right leg back. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend your arms. Bend your arms and your elbows are facing out, open chest. Inhale, now arch back. Keep your palm facing upwards like a blessing. Look up. Exhale, bring your palms to the mat, top of the mat. And then bring the right leg back. Here is the position is Utthita Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathe in, Urdhva Mukha. Breathe out, Adha Mukha. As you inhale, take the right leg up. Exhale, bring the right leg forward. And here, inhale, both the hands up. Hold on. Breathe. Exhale, bend your arms. Elbow facing out, open chest. And push your left thighs forward. Press the right feet. Look up. Try to do a little bit arch back. Open up the chest maximum. Exhale. Drop the hands, top of the mat. As inhale, bring the left leg forward. Now you can grab your ankle joint. Exhale, extend the spine maximum and head down. Now breathe in, take up the leg up. Keep the both hands straight. Exhale, relax. Exhale, relax. Now, all of you sit down. All of you sit down. Now spread the leg to the side, both sides. Right and the left, both sides. And keep your elbows to the mat. Keep your palm, the chin, eyes closed, relax. Okay, relax. Now from here, inhale both the hands up. Exhale, now twist from the trunk. With the left palm, grab the right side, right hand all the way up and bend your body all the way to the left side. Extend the right hand up. If possible, with the right palm, try to catch the left feet. The right elbow bent, your right elbow facing up, open up the chest, look up. You can keep your eyes closed here. Breathe. And then inhale, take your both hands up. Exhale, now opposite. With the right palm, grab the left thigh, bend your body all the way right. Catch the feet, the left elbow facing up, open up the chest, look up. Breathe in, get up, as breathe out, down. Now, the next one. Foot sole join together. Both the heel near to perineum. Interlace the palm, grab the toes. As you breathe in, start clapping your legs. And then spread your legs to the front. As you inhale, toes pointing towards you. Exhale, toes pointing outwards. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, toes pointing towards you. Breathe out, toes pointing out. So now, the next Janu Sirsasana. Bend the right leg. The heel, the foot sole to the left thighs, inner thigh. And the heel near to genitals. The knee out, spine erect. The legs, left leg straight. And the toes pointing towards you. Breathe in. Open up the chest, hands up. As breathe out, here, your target is not touching the forehead to the knee. Your target is to go maximum, extend the spine and forward. Look like this. Your target. You're looking front. Look like this. And then at last, interlace the finger, catch the feet, the front feet, not the middle, not the last, the front feet. And exhale, extend the spine. With each breathe out, try to go deeper, front. Try to go maximum front, maximum front. Exhale, try to go front. Exhale, try to go front. And at last, elbow down, forehead to the shin-bone. Bow down. And try to keep your back totally flat. When you are doing Janu Sirsasana, your target is to try to keep the back totally flat, like a float. Eyes closed. Janu means the knee, Sirsa means the head. Janu Sirsasana. And from here, release the palm. As breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, hands down. So right side is complete. The left leg is complete. So now open up the right leg. Bend the left one. If you have yoga bricks, so you can use the brick also. Deep inhale, hands up. Breathe out, forward, extend the spine. Hold it. And धीरे 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 अपने शरीर को स्ट्रेचिंग करें और स्पाइन को ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्सटेंड करें और चेस्ट को सामने लेके जाइए, दृष्टि सीधा और धीरे 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 elbow down. Keep your forehead down. Mat all the way bow down. Maintain the asana for a couple of seconds. Then release. Breathe in. Hands up. Breathe out. Relax. So next one. Bend your both legs. Kneecap facing up. Both the hands behind the buttocks. Fingers facing front. So now couple of practice like, or you can use block. So keep the palm to the block for the maximum support. and make sure your wrist, elbow, shoulder should be one line. आपका हाथ बहुत दूर नहीं जाएगा, एकदम सीधा. As breathe in, take your trunk up, take your buttocks up, take your chest up, and from knee to shoulder should be one line. Relax your head. Hold on. Breathe. Exhale. Gradually drop your buttocks to the floor. And now both the knees together. Cross the hands. Tightly hold. Exhale. Head down. Keep your chin in between the knees. Hold on. Breathe. And then relax. And then the next one, buttocks up. Your knee is facing front. So for the beautiful stretching for the whole body, hands side to side. As you breathe in, as breathe out, drop your heel, keep the legs straight, your head down. Breathe in like this, breathe out. Breathe in, look forward, breathe out. I'm showing you from the side. Here, raise the heel, knee facing front, hand side to side, breathe in here. As you breathe out, drop your heel, extend the spine, head down. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in and out. Relax. Relax. And for the arm strength, maximum the asana like advanced asana, sirsasana, bakasana, or astabhakrasana, any of the asana depends on the arm strength. But not only arm strength is not enough. You need muscle strength, you need joint mobility, you need strong core, you need strong breathing power, and calm mind. So if your target is maximum arm strength and for the muscle building, so here is the one, our Indian traditional dand push-up for you. That is called Hanuman dand. So for the Hanuman dand, starting position is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Then bring the right leg forward like this. But do not in between the palm, just outside the palm. And exhale down. Your elbows towards you. Then from here, breathe in. Look up. As breathe out, bring the right leg. I'm showing you from this side. Inhale. Exhale, bring the right leg back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Then left leg forward. Exhale. Breathe in. As breathe out. Right leg forward. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg forward. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. As breathe out. So in this way, you can develop muscle power. You can develop the mobility of your joint, or at the same time is the perfect practice to whole practice for the entire body. So let's try this one. In the beginning, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay, bring the right leg forward, elbow bend, exhale, breathe in, look up, as breathe out, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, exhale, breathe in, as breathe out. And then relax. After the practice, do Balasana. Do Balasana. Take rest. And then get up. So In this short time, it's too difficult to explain everything. In this short time, it's too difficult to explain everything. So now lie down with your spine back and keep your leg bent, hand side to side. Ardha Savasana. This is called Ardha Savasana. As you inhale, take your stomach all the way lift up towards the ceiling. Exhale, the stomach all the way drop and inwards towards the spine. Keep your right palm to the stomach. Okay? Let's breathe in. Take your stomach all the way up. Make it like a balloon, your stomach. As you exhale, gradually, your stomach all the way in towards the spine. As you inhale, take your stomach up. Exhale, down. Keep your eyes closed. And this is called abdominal breathing. We have 3 stages breathing in our yogic practice. So this is abdominal breathing. Consciously breathe. Breathing. Lift the stomach up. As breathe out, relax. So now keep the both legs stretched, hand side to side. Now here, as you breathe in, bring the right knee near to the chest. Interlock your palm. Grab the right leg strongly, the right, and inhale, head up. Exhale, your chin to the right knee. And take the left leg little bit up, like 25 degrees up from the floor. Pavan Muktasana, eyes closed. 1. Modified Pavan Muktasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, relax. As breathe in, bring the left knee near to the chest. The same, interlace the palm, grab it, take the right leg a little bit up. Exhale, head up, and touch your chin to the knee, eyes closed. Ekdam, use your all the power, grab it tightly. Pavan Muktasana. Exhale, relax. Savasana. Now gentle spinal twist. As you breathe in, bend the right leg, bring the knee near, almost near to the chest. Now with the left palm, grab the right leg, right knee. Exhale, twist from the trunk and bring the right leg all the way towards the left side and try to touch the right leg to the left side and twist and take your head to the right side. And listen my voice carefully. The right leg towards the left, but you using your neck and head to the right. Your knee to the left, but your head to the right. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale, bring the leg center. Exhale, keep it to the front, down. As inhale, bend the left leg with the right palm, catch the knee and do the spinal twist. And look to the left. Close eyes. Relax. These are the restorative practices. As inhale, center, exhale. Next one. Inhale, take the right leg all the way up towards the sky. From the hip joint to the ankle joint, one line. Now, Rotate the right leg 360 degrees all the way clockwise. Make a big circle with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now anti-clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Inhale, take the left leg up, and the same way, rotate it clockwise in the beginning. Make a big circle. Eyes closed, fully relaxed. Now anti-clockwise. And then relax. Now bend your both legs, kneecap facing up, your heel near to buttocks. And keep your one palm to the stomach, one palm to the diaphragm. Eyes closed. Now here we will do Soham mantra meditation. Inhale, breathe with your mouth, and you have to utter the sound. So, okay, and then exhale, join your lips, exhale with nose, and you have to utter hum. So breathe in from the mouth, so, and exhale, join your lips and hum. So breathe. So breathe out. So exhale, join your lips. So this is called Nad Yoga. We are using sound and creating a divine vibration. This has prolonged benefits. जिसको नींद नहीं आता है, जिनका मन अशांत रहता है, उनके लिए ये प्रैक्टिस बहुत ही लाभदायक. Then turn your body to the right side. Bend your leg. Turn your body to the right side.
Lisa, या इकडे.
And gradually sit up. And gradually sit up without opening your eyes. And gradually open your eyes. तो क्या होता है कि हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, इंटेंसिव प्रैक्टिस करते हैं या लॉन्ग टाइम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, जैसे 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा या उससे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि शरीर में एक्सेसिव हीट पैदा होता है. शरीर में एक्सेसिव हीट पैदा होता है कि हम लोगों के शरीर में, जैसे पहले मैंने बोला सन एनर्जी भी है, मून एनर्जी भी है। तो कुछ भी एक्सेसिव हो गया तो जो बैलेंस होता है वो थोड़ा बिगड़ जाता है। तो आफ्टर द intensive practice we need to do for from Shitkari pranayama. For the Shitkari pranayama you have to open your mouth and ऊपर का जो दांत जो है दोनों ऐसे जोड़ना है और ब्रीथ इन करना है दांतों की मध्य से और इसको ब्रीथ करना है और फिर मुंह बंद करना है और एक्सेल धीरे 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 एक्सेल करना है अपने नॉस्ट्रल से। फिर से ब्रीथ इन and close your mouth, exhale with your nostril. Shitkari pranayama. So let's close your eyes and breathe in, breathe out. Shitkari pranayama. Take a deep and long breath in. Feel the cooling effect. शीतलता का महसूस करें, मुंह बंद करें और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़े अपने नॉस्ट्रल से। इस प्रैक्टिस को और कुछ सेकंड तक कंटिन्यू करें। ओके और अभी हम करेंगे नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम। We have 72,000 nadis in our body and we have 7 main energy channels, सातों चक्र। And so for the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, before we need to clear our left nadi, the Ira and Pingala. So we have 3 types of breathing. So with the right nostril, just block the right and just breathe in through left, breathe out through left. One nostril breathing, breathe in out. आंखें बंद। पहले आपको प्रारंभिक स्थिति कैसे नाड़ी शुद्धि के लिए खुद को प्रस्तुत करना है, ऐसे ब्रीद इन थ्रू लेफ्ट, ब्रीद आउट थ्रू लेफ्ट, कुछ सेकंड तक इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है। ओके फिर साइड को बंद करना है, राइट साइड से ब्रीद इन भी करना है, ब्रीद आउट भी करना है। चलिए आंखें बंद, मेरुदंड सीधा, bring your awareness towards your breath. Okay, so left nostril breathing, right nostril breathing. Now both nostril breathing. Breathe in, close eyes, deep breath and long exhale. Breathe in, long and deep exhale. Okay, तो नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम का जो ब्रीदिंग का जो रेशियो होगा 1-4-2। ब्रीथ इन करना है 1 सेकेंड तक, सपोज उसको होल्ड करना है, कुंभ करना है 4 सेकेंड तक, एक्सेल करना है 2 सेकेंड। मगर कुंभ जो है जो बिगिनर्स प्रैक्टिशनर्स के लिए नहीं है, तो वो क्या करेंगे, जस्ट ब्रीथ इन ब्रीथ आउट करेंगे। और जो प्रैक्टिशनर्स आप लोग बहुत सालों से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, ब्रीदिंग के प्रति आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है, आपका कोई भी लंग डिजीज नहीं है, कोई भी लंग का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो आप फुली फिट है, तो आप कुंभ कर सकते हैं। तो मान लीजिए आप ब्रीथ इन करते हैं, आप पूरा करते हैं 3 सेकेंड तक, 1 2 3, फिर इसको होल्ड करना है 3, तो 12 सेकेंड, उसको होल्ड करना है। ओके, और हमने 3 लिया था, तो उसका डबल छोड़ना है। 12 सेकेंड होल्ड करने के बाद डबल छोड़ना है 6 सेकेंड तक। तो ए हो गया रूल। आपका ब्रीदिंग का जो रूल है 1:4:2, पूरक 1, कुंभक आपका 4 और 2 एक्सेल। ओके, रेचक। So नाड़ी शुद्धि के लिए मेरुदंड सीधा, always use the right hand, and during the pranayama keep your eyes always closed, and you have to do the Vishnu mudra. Hold the 5 palm, right palm, and the 5 finger. So the index finger and the middle finger, let's bend, and keep the tip to the palm, and the rest of the 2 keep it straight. Thumb and the rest of the 2, and just index and the middle finger just bend. So this is called the Vishnu mudra, mudra for the nadi shuddhi. और बाम हाथ को आप शरीर के पास में रख सकते हैं कंफर्टेबली। अगर आप चाहें, अब अगर आपका वायु दोष है तो वायु मुद्रा, अगर आपका कंसंट्रेशन का समस्या है तो आप ध्यान मुद्रा या कोई भी आपका बेनिफिशियल मुद्रा कर सकते हैं। तो राइट हैंड से राइट नॉस्ट्रल को ब्लॉक कीजिए, आंखें बंद। सो मान लीजिए आपको कुंभ करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं, only breathe in, breathe out. So 3 seconds breathe in, 6 seconds breathe out. Okay, so be ready. Okay, breathe in, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Close the left nostril. Now exhale gradually with right side. Exhale, Om 6, Om 5, Om 4, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. Now inhale 3 seconds with right nostril. Breathe in, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Close the right. Now exhale through the left. Om 6, Om 5, Om 5, Om 4, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. So इसको कंटिन्यू कीजिए, क्योंकि जिसने भी आसना का अभ्यास किया है वो लोग इसको कंटिन्यू कीजिए। आपका शरीर को, मन को, एनर्जी को बैलेंस करना होगा। सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस कर लिया, कुछ नहीं किया तो उसमें शरीर में विपत्ति आ जाएगा, नींद का समस्या होगा, शरीर में थकान होगा, लेथार्जी होगा। तो जैसे पहले वार्म अप, उससे बाद वैसे ही रिस्टोरेटिव प्रैक्टिस मस्ट, रिलैक्सेशन मस्ट। समय बहुत कम है इसलिए थोड़ा जल्दी बोलना पड़ रहा है आप लोगों को, मगर योग बहुत धीरे, बहुत देर तक प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए। कोई रेडीमेड चीज नहीं है, कोई हॉट केक नहीं है। इसको सीरियसनेस के साथ, डेडिकेशन के साथ, डिवोशन के साथ, विद अभ्यास, उसके साथ वैराग्य मिक्स करके इसको बहुत ही डिवोशन के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए। तो हमने लेफ्ट साइड से लिया था, तो जब हम इसको क्लोज करेंगे इस प्राणायाम को, तो लेफ्ट साइड से छोड़ के इसको खत्म करते थे। ओके, तो लेट्स एक्सेल थ्रू द लेफ्ट साइड और फिर राइट हैंड डाउन। उसके बाद आंखें धीरे धीरे आंखें खोलिए और फिर we are going to do Bhramari pranayam. For the Bhramari pranayam is सन्मुखी मुद्रा। सन्मुखी मुद्रा में 5 उंगलियां का इस्तेमाल करना होगा। आपका जो चिन पे, फिर लिप्स के ऊपर, फिर नाक पे, फिर भ्रू मध्य, आपका जो आईब्रोज के ऊपर, और राइट थंब जो है आपका कानों पे। ऐसे आपको जो द्वार है आपका, जो बहिर्मुख कर रहा है आपको, उस सभी द्वार को बंद करना होगा। दिस इज कॉल्ड सन्मुखी मुद्रा। फिर ब्रीद इन करना है, ब्रीद आउट हमिंग साउंड, भ्रामरी। Breathe in, out, join your lips. तुरंत बात मत कीजिए, वाइब्रेशन को थोड़ा एब्सॉर्ब कीजिए। लास्ट वन। फिर आंखें मत खोलिए, धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथ नीचे। कुछ सेकंड के लिए अपने आप में लीन हो जाते हैं। Now bring your both palms together, Anjali Mudra, and be ready for the Shanti Mantra part. Breathe in. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhaga Bhavet. Om Santi 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 Harihi Om. Now take your both hands all the way up towards the sky and let's utter the mantra of liberation. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Take your hands down. All the credit goes to the Adi Yogi Shiva. All credit goes to Yogeshwar Bhagavan Sri Krishna. All the credit goes to the great rishis, munis, previous acharyas, the greatest gurus. All the credit goes to the Vedic scriptures like Vedas, Puranas, Darshans, Gita, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and all the credit goes to the sacred rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, and all the credit goes to the sacred तीर्थ क्षेत्र like Jagannath, Puri, Mathura, Vrindavan, Kedarnath, Badrinath, or Rishikesh, and all the credit goes to those who are present here in this yoga session. I bow down towards all of you. Pranam. आज का सेशन आपका यही पे समाप्त होता है। समय बहुत ही कम है, कम समय में एक्सप्लेन करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है, मगर मैंने आपको थोड़ा इन्फो दिया, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस दिया। कोई भूल हो जाए तो माफ कीजिए, और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शिवम जी का, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही बड़े कार्य कर रहे हैं। और विश्व जो वर्ल्ड योगा डे था तब भी उन्होंने मंथली बहुत सारे स्पीकर उन्होंने इनवाइट किया था, और वो भी बहुत ही एक शानदार प्रोग्राम था। बहुत लोग, बहुत ही टीचर, स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत ही अन्य क्षेत्र के लोग उसमें लाभान्वित हुए थे। तो योग क्या है कि एक समंदर की तरह है, और आज स्वामी विवेकानंद का तिरोधान दिवस, महासमाधि डे है, डिसअपियरेंस डे है। तो स्वामी विवेकानंद का एक कोट जो है वो आप साथ लेके जाइए। स्वामी विवेकानंद का एक कोट है, जो जाति मानता है कि वो सब जान चुका है, वो जाति ध्वंस की तरफ जा रहा है, डिस्ट्रॉय की तरफ जा रहा है। तो जो लाइफ है, सीखते जाइए, प्रैक्टिस करते जाइए, जो भी अच्छा है दूसरों से वो आप में उसको ऐड करते जाइए, और जो वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर है उसको पढ़िए, और आपका जो नॉलेज का जो लेवल है उसको अपग्रेड करते जाइए, और डेली प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। आसना हो गया, प्राणायाम हो गया, मेडिटेशन हो गया, चैंटिंग हो गया। और आजकल क्या होता है, कुछ आपसे शेयर करना चाहिए कि आप सभी योग टीचर्स है, योग साधक है। आजकल लोग क्या करते हैं, पोस्टर बनाते हैं, उसमें लिखते हैं योग प्राणायाम शिविर, योग मेडिटेशन शिविर। तो आप थोड़ा सोचिए, ब्रॉड कॉन्सेप्ट में लोग सोच रहे हैं योग मतलब आसना, क्योंकि आप एडवर्टाइज ऐसे कर रहे हो, योग प्राणायाम शिविर, योग मेडिटेशन शिविर। तो प्राणायाम भी योग है, मेडिटेशन भी योग है, मगर आप योग टीचर्स का एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी होता है कि जो एज इट वाज, जैसा था वैसा ही आपको उसको लोगों को सिखाना चाहिए। थोड़ा मॉडिफाई तो हो सकता है, मगर आप बिल्कुल उसका पैटर्न आप चेंज कर देते तो वो योग नहीं रहता है। और एक चीज जो आपसे शेयर करना चाहिए, जो आसना भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं है, क्योंकि जो आसना है वो एकदम परफेक्ट जियोमेट्रिकल उसका शेप होता है। जैसे हम सन सैल्यूटेशन करते हैं, एक बार राइट लेग को आगे ले आते हैं, तो उसका मीनिंग, ब्रॉड मीनिंग ऐसा हुआ कि सन के साथ आप कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, लेफ्ट पैर को आगे ले रहे हो, मून के साथ आप कनेक्ट कर रहे हो। और जैसे कि आप पद्मासन में बैठते हैं तो बोला जाता है योग में कि आपका स्पाइन को सीधा रखिए। तो इसमें क्या है, चक्र होता है, सातों चक्र होता है। तो आपका स्पाइन जब सीधा रहता है तो एनर्जी का जो फ्लो है वो एकदम बहुत स्मूथली होता है, आपका नेक से पूरे, आपका सहस्त्रार से पूरा शरीर तक। तो बहुत सी चीजें हैं, उसको आप लोग जानिए, और योग को एकदम जैसे था एकदम प्योर फॉर्म में दीजिए। और योग का मान अभी घट रहा है, इसको एक होम डिलीवरी फूड की तरफ हो गया है। घर घर में आपका 500 रुपया में, 200 रुपया में घर घर में लोग सिखा रहे हैं, और एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है वो लोग भी योग सिखा रहे हैं, तो उसमें योग का लेवल घट रहा है। तो क्या करना चाहिए कि आपका जो लेवल है उसको इंक्रीज करना है। आपका लेवल जब इंक्रीज होगा तो योग का डिमांड भी इंक्रीज होगा। अगर आपका नॉलेज, आपका प्रैक्टिस, आपका एटीट्यूड, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन, उसका जो लेवल है कम होगा तो योग भी कम होगा, तो योग का जो मान है वो भी कम होगा। और ऐसा भी होगा कि ऑथेंटिक फॉर्म में योग नहीं हो रहा है, और इंडिया का जो लोग अभी हो रहा है योग को एक अभी भी एक्सरसाइज मानते हैं, मगर ये एक्सरसाइज नहीं है, ये प्योर स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस है। अगर इसको आप प्योर फॉर्म में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हो तो बाहर के लोग आके सिखाएंगे, यूएस से लोग आके आपको सिखाएंगे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लोग आके सिखाएंगे, और उनको आपको डॉलर में पे करना पड़ेगा, यूरो में पे करना पड़ेगा। तो प्योर फॉर्म में सीखिए, अपडेट कीजिए खुद को, और आगे बढ़ते रहिए। और
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, बोलिए।
Sir, I want to ask, you said Surya Namaskar A, B, and further you did so many Surya Namaskar, right? So these are C, D, E, C, D, E part or just a modification?
Just a modification. Just a modification with some asanas.
Okay, okay.
Yes, with just asanas. Okay, asanas.
Sir, or also I want to know that you
Yes.
said
बोलिए।
Uttan asana, Ardh Hastotan asana, right? Sorry, Uttan asana, Hastpad, Hastpad. हाँ जी, हाँ जी। एंड एक और आपने बोला था, पता नहीं किसी का नाम लेके कि उसका नाम ये भी होता है, तो प्लीज आप वो बताएं कि किसका नाम लेके आपने बताया था कि इसको ये वाला नाम भी बोलते हैं।
हाँ, क्या होता है कि योग आप जितना जानते हो उतना ही कम होता है। तो क्या होता है कि इंडिया में काफी सारे घराना है, ठीक है, जैसे कि शिवानंदा स्टाइल हो गया या मैसूर अष्टांगा स्टाइल हो गया। तो क्या होता है, एक आसन होता है, उसी का एक डिफाइंड नाम होता है, ठीक है। जैसे कि जो ट्रेडिशनल हठा में हम जिसको चक्रासन बोलते हैं, मैसूर स्टाइल में उसको बोलते हैं ऊर्ध्व धनुरासन। चक्रासन को मैसूर स्टाइल में बोलते हैं ऊर्ध्व धनुरासन, क्योंकि उनका जो शेप होता है वो ऊर्ध्व धनु की तरह ही होता है। तो और जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि पाद हस्तासन, जैसे कि स्टैंडिंग फॉरवर्ड होल्ड जिसको बोलते हैं पाद हस्तासन, तो कुछ घराना है वो बोलते हैं पाद हस्तासन, और कुछ घराना है वो बोलते हैं हस्त पादासन, और कुछ घराना होते हैं वो सेम आसन को बोलते हैं पाद हस्त उत्तानासन। ऐसे डिफाइंड नेम होता है। तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि अगर आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ जुड़े हो, मगर आप जब डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ जुड़ते हो तो आपका नॉलेज और भी ज्यादा होता है, आप में डाइवर्सिटीज आता है। मान लीजिए आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ, एक यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ आप जुड़े हुए हो, तो आपका जो नॉलेज है वो थोड़ा एक जगह पे है, मगर आप बहुत सारे घराना में सीख रहे हो, मगर उसके लिए भी एलिजिबिलिटी चाहिए। अगर जो बिगिनर्स है उसको मैंने काफी सारे घराना में डाल दिया तो वो कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा। मगर आप अगर 10 साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, 5 साल से 5 साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, आप में बहुत सारे नॉलेज आ गया है, तो आप डिफरेंट घराना का टेस्ट भी ले सकते हैं। मगर अगर आप बिगिनर्स हो तो डिफरेंट घराना का टेस्ट आप मत कीजिए, एक घराना में प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, अपने डेप्थ, अपने प्रैक्टिस, अपने नॉलेज को थोड़ा गेन कीजिए, फिर दूसरे घराना को भी आप कीजिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत जरूरत है कि मल्टी स्टाइल सीखना। मल्टी स्टाइल में बहुत कुछ आप गेन करते हैं।
Also, sir, I want to know the prayer you said, वंदे गुरु नाम चरण नाम करके आपने प्रेयर्स स्टार्ट किया था, वो कहाँ से रेफरेंस है?
वो पतंजलि का ही प्रेयर, महर्षि पतंजलि का ही प्रेयर।
रेफरेंस
रेफरेंस महर्षि पतंजलि का ही प्रेयर है।
ओके ओके।
क्योंकि वो प्रेयर बहुत ही ये होता है, लॉन्ग होता है, प्रेयर जो है बहुत ही लॉन्ग होता है। मैं क्लास के बाद में शिवम जी को भेज दूंगा, तो आप लोगों को वो भेज देंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें टाइम बहुत कम है। ठीक। तो मैं उनको भेज दूंगा, वो आपसे शेयर कर देंगे ग्रुप में, ठीक है। मैंने बहुत ज्यादा टाइम ले लिया, तो आप लोगों से क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ, बहुत ज्यादा ले लिया टाइम, मुझे क्षमा कीजिए।
सर
नहीं,
नाइस टू
थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक
शुभेंदु साहब, आपने जो ज्ञान दिया है मुझे लग रहा है कि इट्स वेरी रिलेवेंट एंड वेरी appropriate for nowadays, because all of the yoga teachers, they are just coming in the classroom and starting with सूक्ष्म व्यायाम और फिर वही classes लेके चले जाते हैं ना. That's why I call you, and it's such a great opportunity क्योंकि मेरे पढ़ाए हुए इसमें बहुत सारे students हैं and they all are doing something like just एक ना limited practical class करना और चले जाना. So that's why I
हाँ,
कॉन्फ्रेंस, क्योंकि फेसबुक लाइव वाले में दिक्कत ये हो जाती है ना कि दो लोग देख रहे हैं वो स्क्रॉल कर देते हैं तुरंत. कई सारी स्टोरीज हैं, 2 मिनट का लाइव चल रहा है. जूम वाले में ये है कि आपके पास में सेटल जनता है, 50 लोग हैं वो आपके पास में स्टक है ना. तो ये, और वो कम से कम एटलीस्ट 50 लोग देखेंगे तो कुछ तो सीखा सभी लोगों ने. सो थैंक यू सो मच अगेन फॉर एवरीवन फॉर योर पेशेंस, क्योंकि 2 घंटे की कॉन्फ्रेंस हो चुकी है लगभग, और मुझे पता है कि इट्स सो हार्ड टू है ना व्यू समवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा लैपटॉप लगातार ऑनलाइन चलते रहना. सो थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योगाचार्य डॉक्टर शुभेंदु राय, योग कुलभूषण, योग भूषण, योग विभूति, योगा मास्टर ऑफ द ईयर, योगा इंटरनेशनल योगा आइकन ऑफ यूथ एंड मेनी अवार्ड्स. मुझे याद है, मुझे लग रहा है 2017-18 की बात है, बंगाल के.
शेयर करना चाहता हूँ शिवम जी, एक बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि
जी जी जी
हाँ,
प्लीज.
तो आपने बहुत कुछ बोला, मगर सबसे जो एक योगी का और एक व्यक्ति का जो व्यक्तित्व होना चाहिए, सभी एक तरफ है, मगर उसका व्यक्तित्व यही होना चाहिए कि मैं एक सेवक हूँ. क्योंकि मैं जैसे बंगाल से बिलोंग करता हूँ, तो बंगाल में वैष्णव घराना है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु घराना है, तो उसमें यही सिखाया जाता है कि आप का जो मेन आपका जो ये होना चाहिए, माइंड होना चाहिए कि मुझे एक सेवक बनना है. तो यही है कि जो भी है, अगर मैं एक अच्छा सेवक बन सकूं, वही मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ है, बाकी तो और कुछ नहीं.
ये आपकी सिंपलिसिटी है. हाँ, बहरहाल बहुत बहुत आभार आप सभी के इस गौरवमयी उपस्थिति के लिए. अब मिलते हैं कल हम लोग, कल की वर्कशॉप के विषय में फिर मैं आके आपको जानकारी देता रहूंगा. बहुत बहुत आभार आचार्य श्री, बहुत बहुत आभार आपका. साधुवाद सहित नाम, नमस्कार.
थैंक यू.